Okay, so starting in the back and coming up front, we've got our herb spiral, which is just amazing. We've got some oregano back here and basil, dill. We've got just all kinds of wonderful, wonderful things going on in this herb spiral. And then we've got our different veggies all along here. We've got our trusses with our nets. And those trusses break down flat. So when you're done, you just flatten them out and put them away somewhere until next year. We've got cabbage and we've got spinach and we've got all kinds of wonderful, wonderful things. We've got beets in here. We've got peppers. We've got sweet potatoes. We've got our climbing tomatoes here, our cherry tomatoes and beans and peas over on the trusses. Other side of the herb spiral. We placed our citronella